Hello and welcome inside of ChatGPT. When we are doing deep research, we can access more than one database. For example, if we go to this area and we click on Tools and we click on Run Deep Research, you'll see that we can source different content for your deep research. If we click the down arrow, you're going to see all of the elements that you can use and connect to in order to access for your deep research. For example, if you are a user of Dropbox, you can source Dropbox for some of your deep research. When you click on Dropbox, you'll want to make sure that you are logged into your Dropbox account where you want to connect your account to ChatGPT. We're going to click on this button that says Continue to Dropbox. You will then be inside of a Dropbox interface. You're going to allow ChatGPT to access your files in Dropbox. You will notice now that Dropbox is a connected application for your deep research. And so we can start deep research, we can click on deep research, and then we can click on the specific element. Now, what you'll notice is that when you turn on that element, web search is turned off. However, if we go back and we turn on web search, ChatGPT will use not only the files in Dropbox, but it will also use your web search. Then what you will do is you will conduct a deep research query, just as you would in a normal situation. So you can add sources of your own to the research process, you can segregate those sources, or you can use those sources along with the web search. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.